what's up? It's me again, BryJa, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, BryGray18. Are you standing for long hours in your job? Are you having difficulty in balancing yourself because of your feet shape? If it's too arched, or because you're flat-footed? Are you having back pains because of your poor posture? Lagi ba kayo nagkakapaltos sa paa, sa talampakan dahil sa mga sapatos na sinusuot nyo? Well guys, I think I found the solution. EZstep Orthotics. So you say the red area is the one that has pressure on it?
Yes.
So how should the red area be like distributed normally?
We suppose with our this condition which lead to plantar fasciitis and other heel pain. And by the way, this customer told us that he had that after we told him about his results. And we can know, with the results, we can know your condition and we can give you something that our product to distribute the pressure, balance your body and no more pain.
No more pain.
Yeah. The area with the red zone that you see, heavy red zone, one goes all the way here and push the pressure to the ground, to the heel area and cause all this pain. What we want to do to distribute this pressure equally all over the feet, like you see here, and then when you balance the body, distribute the pressure, no more pain. And the design of our special support is this one. It's called the arch support. This one is designed to push your leg to the right place, and in the middle, if needed, you have special support. So when you put your feet, you have maximum support, and your feet fit in the next, in the reasonable place that's supposed to lead you to maximum comfort and maximum balance from Spain.
From Spain?
One of the toppest in the world, worldwide, that selling special scanner for working with many orthopedic many branches like that. Is memory foam.
Memory foam.
Memory foam. It's easy memory. This one is easy active.
Easy active.
Yeah, active for sports activity. Could
so
be basketball player, runner, and just if you go to the gym or do some practice, this one, the easy active, can really support your body. The easy style.
this one's easy style for
Easy
girls,
style
for high heels.
high heel shoes, pump shoes, and the issue with that is to keep the support for the heel area, and it's not go all the way because there is no space in high heel shoes. There is no space, so in the important part, and also the support in the middle, so she can look beautiful. She can do her, I don't know if she go to wedding or whatever, want to dance, she can dance and no pain.
Brian, BRY. What's gonna happen now?
You step, remove your shoes.
Are you gonna measure my weight?
No, not your weight. No, the body weight. Actually, that your feet carry.
So, kailangan tanggalin siya?
No.
Hindi naman.
So, videohan.
Sikat ka.
Ito konti lang. Ayan. Actually, sir, kailangan mo orthotic. Nakikita ko na ngayon, kaso natin. Kasi, hindi pa tayo ready, nag-stand siya. Okay, start na tayo, sir.
Alright.
I need your hands on the side of your body. Ready? Start now. As you can see, your arch type is medium. Not the back.
Medium.
Yes,
Okay.
medium is actually normal. Right? More on your heel area. And also, you see this M? Meaning that's the maximum pressure point. Maximum meaning mas mabigat dito. This is the right. So it's not balanced.
I see.
So you put more weight on your left heel than your right. And also, as you can see here, your toes doesn't touch the ground anymore at all. Not all. The big toes, yes, but not the small ones. There. Let's go to 3D. So here
Is it because I'm wearing socks? Or
no,
not really?
it's not. It's not. It's just because that's how the structure of your feet is.
Ah.
So this is the level. They call it level of the penetration of the waist. So as you can see here, it's actually on the third level already. Red is that is the maximum impact from contact. As you can see, those orange. Orange meaning lighter weight, but soon it will gonna be red. So from yellow, they're gonna be orange because the normal color is green. That's how it should be. That's the how do you call that?
Color green?
Yes.
Pero paano mangyayari yun, ate? Eh, syempre tatapak ako.
Yes, color green here. Color green, see? Meaning 50% of the weight. So 75% and up, that is also already the maximum weight. So blue, meaning it has no weight. So we need to achieve those green colors. That's
green
how.
colors.
Yes, that's eventually when you're using orthotics, your red will become green.
Oh, really?
Yes. Because it will be equally distributed among other parts of your feet. And balance also from left to right, right to left. Medium. But it's not, actually it's not really, it's close to low arch.
Testing.
Ito ang importante sa sapatos. Ito yung nag-correct ng what, you see the difference? It has to be like this. This one is just to give you comfort, yes. This one is to correct and give you comfort at the same time. Saan mo yan sa binili?
Sa Japanese store?
Okay. Siguro nung bago siya may shape, may arco.
Wala, flat talaga yan.
Okay.
Siya, parang foam lang.
Okay. Comfort lang talaga.
How does it feel? There's any difference?
It will give you comfort and a healthy lifestyle and injury-free. Okay. Lakad mo, sir. Tayo ka.
Ayun, nararamdaman ko na. Parang may tumutulak.
Proper posture dapat. Yung proper
Alignment.
alignment ng paa. Kasi we have specific arch type for specific, we have specific orthotics for specific arch type. So this is based on your arch type. Mas kailangan mo yan. Kasi yung impact and it helps to stabilize your feet.
So, kino-correct niya kaya sa gano'n.
Yes.
May parang
At first,
feel na may push.
yes. At first, parang ka, hindi ka comfortable kasi you're not used to it. So it will adjust.
Yung time parang mawawala din yung pain niya.
Yes, actually, even the most of our patients,
Discomfort.
talagang sabihin nila when they are in pain already, after 2 days of using it, it lessens already the pain that they are encountering.
Kasi ako back pain ko.
Lower back? Yes.
Turo mo ako sa SM North, sa SM Annex. Guys, dumadami na yung mga tao. Meron po tayong wine tasting event.
Push into the right place. So one is in the right place and give them the support that they need. So might be that you feel a bit different, but after a while, after could be a few days, it's phenomenal feeling. And then without the insole, you cannot wear the shoes. You just remove it from shoes to shoes.
Okay guys, just to summarize it all, once you go to EZstep, they will provide you with a free checkup with regards to your feet. They're gonna check if your feet are too flat, you're flat-footed, or your feet is too arched. So kung ano man yung problems na madedetect nila, based dun sa machine nila na from Spain, magkakaroon sila ng analysis, okay? So yung analysis na yon, magkakaroon sila ng specific na orthotics from EZstep na babagay para sa inyo. So this product, ang ganda ng box niya, sobrang tibay ng kahon. So you really know it's high quality, sobrang tigas. Then meron na siyang instructions sa likod. Sabi nga dito, pain is not normal, especially when it comes to your posture and misalignment of the body. So, malaking bagay talaga yung may tutulong nito sa inyo. So, ito, meron siyang information packet. And then, meron silang freebie na binigay sa akin. This is Himalayan salt for scrub. And then, this is the Orthotics product. So, ipapasok nyo siya sa loob ng shoes nyo. The one that I got is the memory foam. So, yung memory foam, mag-a-adjust siya kung ano yung mali dun sa balance nyo. Dun sa ano yung, alam nyo, yung pagbagsak ng weight sa feet nyo. So, ito, ang ramdam ko is yung sides dito, especially dito. Kasi dito yung parang mali yung balance. Dito yung parang nasosobrahan yung pagtapak ko. Kasi, kapag tumapak naman tayo sa side, hindi naman super flat, di ba? So, once I'm using this, talaga yung balance ko tatama sa kung saan siya dapat bumagsak, yung gravity. Before EZstep message me to check out their products, gumagamit na talaga ako ng insoles, yung parang foam, kasi nilalagyan ko yung leather shoes ko and boots. Kasi sa work ko as a flight attendant, matagal ako nakatayo, di ba? Sobrang minsan 14 hours or 12 hours yung work. So, kailangan comfortable talaga ako dun sa shoes ko. Especially I'm wearing like leather shoes. So, kailangan yung, sa tagal-tagal ko ng pagtayo na yun, hindi masakit yung paa ko, right? So, perfect to for flight attendants, na kahit gaano katagal kayo tumayo, di ba? Hindi sasakit yung likod nyo. Kasi alam nyo, nababalance niya yung weight. At ang maganda dito, talagang pwede mo siyang ilipat sa kahit anong shoes na meron ka. Pero syempre, ang importante doon, ka-size mo rin, di ba? 3 kinds of EZstep products. This is the EZstep Memory Foam, just like mine. Ito, specifically made to correct posture and balance, and at the same time nagpo-provide siya ng pain relief in the long run. So perfect to for those na mga trabaho nyo ay lagi kayo nakatayo. Meron namang isa, yung EZactive nila, para do sa mga sporty type, yung mga laging tumatakbo, laging running. So yun, yung impact na babalance, di ba pag tumatakbo tayo, may shock absorption. And the third one, yung kanilang EZstyle products, para naman do sa girls na laging naka-open shoes, naka-heels, ganyan. So, konting, yun, suot mo para hindi ka magkaroon ng mga paltos-paltos or hindi manakit yung paa mo kahit, di ba, kahit maarte ka. Okay lang, kasi hindi naman masakit eh. I really recommend this EZstep. Health is wealth. Guys, for me, these EZstep products are, you know, a really great lifetime investment. Because there's nothing else na best na mag-invest tayong mga tao but on our health. You have to purchase this, you know. Kasi pang matagalan nyo itong magagamit, hindi ito yung parang, okay, tapos na. Bibili ako, tapos na. Ito, lifetime nyo magagamit sa trabaho, or even if you're a businessman or what, if you're walking, if you're having problems with your back pain because of poor posture, if this would help you in the long run, okay, di ba? Kasi minsan na tayo mabubuhay, guys. Huwag na natin pahirapan yung mga sarili natin. Gumamit tayo ng mga products na magpapagaan ng buhay natin. So, that's all. I'll put the link down below para ma-check nyo yung website ng EZstep. So, yun. Thanks for watching this video, guys. And see you on my next step. Next step.